This is the Samsung Galaxy A23 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check how much internal storage do you have on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the battery and device care category over here, and well, the second section that you'll see will provide you with an information on how much phone memory you have in general, which is in my case 64 gigabytes, as well as how much of it is currently occupied. In my case, it is 18.4 gigabytes, and that basically puts us at 45.6 gigabytes of available, thus free storage space. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.